Hi, this is Justice with Tablet Pro. I'm going to do a quick video and talk about different programs that are on sale for Black Friday for drawing programs. So if you guys are looking to get a drawing program, this is a really good time. Everything that I like is on sale. So let's quickly jump right into here. We're going to go, the very first one I'm going to show you is Clip Studio Paint. Clip Studio Paint Pro, which is what most of us will need, is only 30 bucks, which is super cheap. This is the one I have, Clip Studio Paint EX. 129 versus 219 is a fantastic deal. This is one of the best programs if you're using a tablet and a stylus in Windows. This is awesome. Smooth, great drawing experience. Check out my other videos where I talk about Clip Studio Paint. And this is one I have. Here's the comparison of both features. This one is shorter animations if you're doing animations, and this one is more multi-page, more like longer animation sequences and stuff. Everything else appears to be pretty similar, except for right down here you have more options for export and conversion. Great program. The next one is Artrage. Artrage is half price right now. You can get this in the Windows Store. They've added some really nice features into Artrage Vitae, which I'm not sure I'm pronouncing correctly. Artrage Vitae is 40 instead of 80. This ends December 2nd. This one ends, where is the end date? There is an end date in 5 days. All right, my absolute favorite drawing program, Rebelle 4, instead of 90 bucks, is $35.99. Check that out. This is the full license and absolutely worth it. Beautiful natural color mixing and oils and acrylics, and you have nice impasto depth, just like in Artrage. Both of these are great for natural media. Sketchbook is also available. This one is 20 bucks right now, but I can't confirm if there is any separate sale. But Sketchbook Pro, $19.99. You can see it here in the store. That's the Microsoft Store app. Also, Tablet Pro is for sale. I haven't put this up on the website yet, and I am not actually a giant fan of Black Friday stuff, but but we are getting ready to make some changes to our software, which will make the free version not so free. So if you are looking at getting Tablet Pro, normally it's on sale. We have it at $25.99, and that $25.99 includes everything except for the pen tool. So here, if you type in Tablet Pro, for those of you who haven't used Tablet Pro before, it is keyboard shortcuts that go on the side of the screen. You can see here in OneNote what that looks like. But this is really great for drawing programs. ZBrush does fantastically with it. Clip Studio Paint, Paint Tool SI, Affinity Designer, just whatever program you're using. If you want keyboard shortcuts, like I have right over here on the side. This is an indispensable tool. Normally it's $25.99. The pen tool is on sale for $4 off, so grab that. And this is really helpful if you want to change what the side button on your stylus does. These are very important tools if you are doing artwork on a tablet, Windows 10 tablet. All right, what was the other one? ZBrush. All right, let's see, ZBrush right here. Is there any sales for ZBrush? Get ZBrush. Buy ZBrush. I don't think so. If you guys know of any sales for ZBrush for Black Friday, then put it in the description so that everyone else here can find it. And feel free to share in the comment section any other Black Friday deals for drawing software that you guys have found that is worth checking out. All right, you guys, thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next video.